How to change text message settings on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can change text message settings on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is open up settings in your device. Once you're here, head over to your application or apps. Once you land at this page, scroll down a bit and on the general section, you have to head over to your default applications. Now, here you will find all of the default application on your device. Now to change your text message settings, you could head over to SMS application and from here you could select your preferred text message application. So for now, I have set this messages application as my default, and if you have added any other messaging application, you could choose that as your default SMS or messaging application from here. So that's it. That's how you can change your text message settings on Android, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.